Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are kicking off our series on what is investing. It's ideal for those who are just starting out and wish to grasp the basic idea of investing. So let's dive right in. Let's understand what investing is. Essentially, it's putting your money to work in order to earn a return. It's about growing your wealth over time. I'm sure all of you must be keeping your money in the bank, and the bank gives 3 to 5% interest rate on the savings. This is the simplest form of investing. But is it enough to beat the inflation? The answer is no. So the next question comes to the mind is, what are the different investment options available to beat the inflation? That's exactly what we're going to talk about. We will see the different ways you can invest your money. There are 4 types of investment that comes to my mind, and those are stocks, bonds, real estates, and mutual funds. Let's discuss briefly about these investment types. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you are purchasing a piece of a company and it can provide return through price appreciations and dividends. Bonds. Bonds are like loan you give to a company or government. In return, they pay you interest over time. Less risky than stocks, but usually lower returns. Real estates. It can provide rental income and potential value appreciations, so you can explore this option when you have substantial amount to invest. Fourth option is mutual funds. These are pooled investment managed by professionals, giving you exposure to a variety of stocks and bonds. It's great for diversification. Those were the 4 investment options for beginners. I'm not saying that these are the only 4 options available for investing. You can explore and let me know too, so we can learn from each other in this process. All these options comes with its own pros and cons. That's why it is suggested that you go through all the relevant documents before investing. There are a few key terms that you must know before investing, and those are inflation, return on investment, dividends, and capital gain. Let's talk about those in brief. Inflation, it's a rate by which the price of goods and services are increasing. Return on investment, this measures how much profit you make from an investment relative to its cost. Dividends, these are payments made by the company to its shareholders, usually from profits. Capital gains, this is the profit you make when you sell an investment for more than what you have paid for. Now that you have a basic understanding of what investing is and the types available, you are ready to start your journey. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to make a video related to any of the topic that are unclear. You can also post your feedback related to the videos and I will try to work on it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more financial tips. Thank you.